One of the ways to tell weather and that weather is coming, or mainly that there's humidity in the air, which is an indicator of coming weather, is to look down at the stones. And what do we see here? They are kind of shiny. They are actually sweating. And if we look a little bit closer, this stone has enough water on it that the dirt on it sticks to my hand. And it's not because somebody wet it. It is because all of the stones in this area, which are very hard, either quartz base or whatnot, all the stones in this area are sweating. And that sweat is an indicator that the earth is cooler than the environment, for one, and that there's moisture content that is being condensed. Condensation is forming, and that these stones are wet. So stepping outside into the environment and looking down at the stones and seeing that they are damp or that they have water on them. Not all of them do. Clearly in some places there are less, but it hasn't rained recently, and there is no water. I'm just pointing out, these are very wet stones. You can see the water's actually glistening and shining on them, where the surrounding stones have that as well. Let's find another one. This one actually is very wet. It has droplets of water formed all over it. It's just a point that we can read the weather without any electronics whatsoever. This piece suggests that in the next few days, there's a highly likely chance of rain. And rain usually happens when the moisture content in the air, the humidity, reaches 90% or higher. And right now I would say it's probably around 70%. So it's going up. There are predictions for weather and for rain in the coming days, but there's no telling exactly when. And again, we're looking at stones. We're looking down to see that they are in fact sweating, which is an indicator that the humidity is high and that it is going up such that it changes the weather dynamic. And both the humidity and the barometric pressure are such that pressure is hitting the ground, and that pressure is there and forcing the air to condense and to compile and lump together so that the moisture comes out and is condensing on material at the ground level. So again, you don't need to be a weather professional. You don't need to have your device on and running. And if you're out there and you're in the environment and you can look down and feel the stones around you, hard stones, not porous stones, but firm stones, and see whether it's in the woods or somewhere around you, not the ones that are in the sun necessarily, but the ones that are in the shade that receive a little more disconnect from the sun and from the breeze. You'll see that they might be sweating on a hot, humid day, and that they might actually be wet, indicating that weather is coming. And I would say that in general, when a rock is sweating, you can expect that it's going to rain within 3 days. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being interested in weather and learning how to read weather without the use of electronics or without the use of other tools. Have a wonderful day, and thank you. Cheers.